Hi guys! So what I have here is mango leaves, mango branches, which we actually cut today from our mango tree. We did a lot of cleanups today, so we trimmed a lot of trees. We cut a few trees down, and because it's almost the end of mango season, we trimmed the mango tree, and you can see I have lots of mango leaves over here to make mango leaf tea. So as you see, you can see the mango leaves, and here's the mangoes that we cut today. There's still a few on our tree, but so yeah, so I'm gonna make tea. This is the first time I'm gonna make the tea. I never even thought of making a tea till I heard today you can make tea. It's really good for you, so I researched it, and sure it is. It's supposed to be really good for you for lowering your high blood pressure, which is perfect for my husband. To lower your cholesterol is perfect for my husband, and for diabetes. If you're diabetic, it's great for you to drink mango leaf tea, which is really easy to make. So yeah, so I'm gonna use about 6 leaves. I'm gonna wash them. I'm gonna cut them into half or 3 pieces, and I'm gonna cook him for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then yeah, that's perfect. Like I said, I haven't tried it yet. From what I hear, it tastes actually pretty good, and it has so many benefits. Like I mentioned, it's perfect for my husband because he thinks he has diabetes. We have to go check. So to lower your cholesterol, lower your high blood pressure. It's great for your eyes. It's great for your hair. You can, once the tea cools down, you can pour it on your hair. It's great for so many things. For your immune system, like it's amazing. So I'm gonna make this tea, see what it tastes like, and we're gonna drink it every day because these are the recommendations. So yeah, here it is. So I'm just gonna wash the leaves, but I'm gonna cut them into smaller pieces like this, so it's easier for me to wash them. They're too big and easier to fit on a pot. Oh, it smells good. You can smell the mango. I'm just gonna wash it. So I got actually more leaves in here. I think I got about 12 leaves in here because I'm gonna make more tea. You can use about 5, 6 leaves for 2 cups of water, but I'm gonna make more tea for 4 of us, so I cut more leaves. I'm just gonna wash them. Cut this one. They're already washed, soaked in the water outside. I'm gonna wash them again. There's my tree, and I haven't sprayed my trees with anything. The only thing we sprayed our trees earlier was with garlic water and some essential oils in it, so it doesn't have any chemicals on it. That's good. So I just washed the leaves, and I put about 6 cups of water in here, and I'm just gonna add the leaves in here. Oh, it smells crazy, guys. It smells so delicious. It smells like mangoes. Put it in here. And now we're gonna start boiling them. So here it is. I just started cooking the leaves. I'm just gonna cover it so we can start shimmering for about 20 minutes. So here's the tea. I just turned it off, and I'm just gonna pour it into the cups. I just want to show you the beautiful color it has. Well, you can't see it on my camera, but it's actually like green, really nice green color. But you can't really see it on my phone. It's like a greenish yellowish color. So I'm just going to pour it into the cups now and let it cool down a little bit. And here's our tea. And here's the finished product. It looks really, really yummy and juicy, and it smells so good. I actually tried a sip, and it's actually really, really comforting. It's actually really nice and tasty. This tea is also great to drink at nighttime because it also helps you with your sleep. So we'll see how it works. But yeah, this is the final product, mango leaf tea. Thanks for watching, guys.